yes, as you can see, I do have a microphone now, so now I can do voice videos instead of having to do part by part by part. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to change the name of your character in Limelight. So before we get started, please like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking the red button, and don't forget to hit the bell after you do so. Let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is you want to come over to the right side of your screen, and you're going to scroll down until you see script templates, and you're going to click on that, and you're going to scroll until you see avatar name input, and when you're going to click that, and as you can see, there's no assigned character because it can work for any character, it does not matter. So you're going to click add on that, and as you can see it says 7 to 27 and then 27. That's perfectly fine. What you want to do is you want to hit this button, and then it'll show everything that has to be put, and you can just delete all of the gray writing because that is not important at all. And yeah, it's very, very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and make this little scene, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am all done, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So much for this video. Like I said earlier, please like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Probably think I was psychotic. If you knew what I still got in my closet.